Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this business website only using HTML and CSS. So I'm not going to be using any JavaScript or frameworks, so I'm only using HTML and CSS. But before I start this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's start. So here I'm using my VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and to create this website. So here I've created one file for HTML and it's called index.html, and I've also created another external CSS called style.css. I also have one image and one logo that I will be using to create this website. So let's start with the basics HTML, and I'll change my title business website, and I also want to link with the CSS. Now save this and I need to run this. Just say go live. If you don't have this live server, make sure you can download it from the extension. Just go to your extension tab and download live server. It's as easy as that. For me, you can see I already downloaded. So next, what I want to do is create a header. So we'll create a header, and inside this header I want to create a div class. And inside this div I want to create some URLs. And I want to give it a class or called main nav. Now here I want to also add list, and I'll give it a class called active. Next I want to create another list. Menu. Now just copy this because we need some more nav items. So I'll change this one to services, about, contact. I want to add one more for news. Now next, what I want to do is create another div for our buttons. Inside this div I want to create h1, which says are you ready. Next, what I want to do is create another div class for the buttons. Inside here I want to create two buttons, so I'll just say, and I want to give a class called btn1 for the first button, okay? And this I want to say watch sorry, watch videos, and just copy this because we need it for the second button, and also change here to button 2. I want this second button to say maybe subscribe. Now save this and refresh your browser. There you have, we have this, but it looks horrible, so don't worry, we are going to style. So go to your style, your CSS, and I will just want to remove all the padding and margins, so I'll just do the basic CSS, and I want to remove the margin. I want to say 0. I want to remove all the margins. Also, I want to remove all the paddings. I don't want any paddings and margins also. So now come to the body, and we will give it a font family mono space. Now next I want to do is copy this class row, and I want to give max width 1200 pixel. Next, what I want to do is margin. I want to say margin auto. Now come down here and I want to style the navigation bar. So just copy this class called main nav. Just copy this class main nav. Now I want to give a float to right. Next, what I want to do is say list style none. We don't want any list style. So I will also add margin top 20. Let's say 30 pixel will be fit. Next one, I'll say main nav list. I want to say display in block, inline block. Okay, save this and refresh your browser. Now you see we have our navigation items to the right. So what I want to do next is main nav. So copy this class active. And I want to give a border 1 pixel solid white. Also, next what I want to do is add some hover. And I also want to give it border 1 pixel solid orange. On the color, when I hover, I want the color to be orange, not white. Next I want to do is main nav list, and I'll give it a color white. Next I want text decoration none. Next I want to add padding 5 pixel and 20 pixel will be okay. Sorry, padding. Next what I want to do is add font family. Sans serif. Next I want to give font size of 15 pixel. Font size of 15 pixel. Now save this and refresh your browser. Get nothing. So what we can do now is next copy this class hero and I want to say position absolute. I want to give a width of 1200 pixel. Also I want to say margin left 0 pixel. Margin top also 0 pixel. Next I want the h1, say, and I'll give the color white. Next I want to give text transform, sorry, not text overflow, text transform. I'll say uppercase. I also want to add a font size of 70 pixel. Text align center. Margin top 275 pixel. Save this and refresh your browser. You get nothing. So next what I want to do is go back here and I want to style the header. I want to give a background image. Let me just scroll up this so that you can see clear. So I want to give my background image and I want to add some linear gradient. .2 will be okay. So next what I want to do says add another RGB. Also add the URL pic.jpg. So I'm using this image, this one. So if you don't have some images, make sure you can download it from pixels.com. It's a free website that gives you free images and it's totally free. You can use it for your website. So next I want to add height, 100 view height. Next what I want to do is a background size cover. I also want to say background position center. I want the image to be at the center. So now save this and refresh your browser. You can see we have our image. Now we need to style the buttons. So let's come down here and I'll say button So just copy this class for the button, this one. I want to give margin top and margin left. I'll say the margin top to be 30 pixel. Margin left 440 pixel. Next, what I want to do is btn border 1 pixel solid white. Next, I want to add a padding 10 pixel 30 pixel. Also, I want to add color white. So I want to say text decoration none. Also margin right 5 pixel. Next, I want to add font size 15 pixel will be okay. Or we can just say 13 pixel. 15 is a lot. So next, I want to say text transform uppercase. Next, now I want to style the first button 1. I want to add a background color dark orange. Also, I want to add font family now. The second button, for the second button I just want to add font family. You can just copy this one, you can use this one. Next, what I want to do is I want to hover these buttons for the second button. I want to add a background color to be dark orange. Also, I want to add transition 0.5 second ease in. Now save this and refresh your browser. There we have our buttons. See, when we hover we have this. Now next, what I want to do is add the logo. So just come down here and we can add the logo here after this class, and we can create a div class and log for logo. Inside this div I want to add the img source logo.png. we can remove this alt, we don't need it. Now also copy this class and say img. I want to add width 150 pixel. Also height auto. Now save this and refresh your browser. There we have our logo. So next, what I want to do, and I don't know why this is going up. So what I can do is let's just go to your working. So we so I don't know why it's not, the navigation items are not going down, but let's see the error. But maybe what we can do is just go back to the file and just refresh again. Now it's okay, as you can see here. Now it's working, and now you can see that uh, it hovers the items, and we also have our logo here. So that, and here we have the subscribe, the two buttons. Next, okay, that's all for today, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll leave the source code in the link description, and you can download it from my GitHub, and you can get it from the from GitHub. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please also share, and let's grow this channel. So that was all for today. Thank you, and see you next time.